Hi guys, and welcome to a LEGO City review on the LEGO City garbage truck. It has just been Christmas, so I've got a few things that I'm going to do reviews on. Still got money left over, which I'm going to buy, and I'm going to do a video on doing like my LEGO City. So this is the LEGO City garbage truck. This is the front of the box. Comes with 2 minifigures. That's the back of the box, showing what it can do. It's really cool set actually. It comes with 2 bins. I haven't got the bins to show you at the moment, but let's get on with the set. Okay, so let's start with the minifigures. These are the 2 minifigures. There's a girl, garbage truck lady, and then there's this garbage man. You can choose who drives, but I put him as the driver. They're both exactly the same, apart from their their faces, because he's got a beard and glasses. Then he's just got an apron and no print. Oh, well, there is a bit of printing on the back, just the back of the apron. Exactly the same for this woman, I think. Unless you can notice anything different. I don't think you can though. So, she's got red lipstick on, which they usually do. Yeah, so, and then just that printing on the back. So, nothing new here. I'll show you one of the bins. Just ignore the banana in it. It's got some cool studs in there. It's just these. Put them in the bin. There's a grey bin and a green bin. So let's go on to the actual garbage truck. Okay, I'll just try and get it at the right view. So, this is the front view of the thing. Like the detail here, they've put that there, the like pipe thing, exhaust. So then they got the wing mirrors here, the stickers there. These, they have it on both sides. You can clip a driver onto it. I can't do it right now. Okay, so then you got a shovel, a brush. You got this cool mechanism here, which I'll show you in a minute. Okay, see, same here. And then you got the lights just here, and you got some more lights just there on top. You got the number plate, and I will just now show you what I'll put it right. So that's the nozzle, wheel, and it turns like that. Now you put rubbish on there like that, and then when you're ready, you just and then if you see there's nothing in there, because you can see it's all in there. And then when the garbage truck is full and you want to get it to the tip, this opens, and then that tips as well to get it out. Now the only problem is this easily comes off, which is really annoying. So, because of the lights it is. So, just need to So this gonna, I'll leave it like that for now. I'll mend that soon. Okay, so that is the set. This is Toby speaking, and thanks for watching. Bye.